In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit your banner ad. So once you're logged in on the Wedding Experts, you are at your dashboard. If you do not know how to log in, there is a separate tutorial to walk you step by step through that process. So here on the dashboard, if you look on the left, if you have multiple items on the Wedding Experts, if you have a listing, a banner ad, an event, you will have multiple boxes here on the left, okay? And you will see that this top one has the pinkish red on the left. That's because that's the item that's highlighted. So if I go down to the banner and I click here, you will see that it will highlight the banner. We are going to click this edit button. And it will look like the same page for when you set up your banner ad. All you have to do is scroll down and make any changes. If you need to change the caption, if you want to change the pages that the banner ad is displayed on, you want to change the destination URL, wherever it's going to go. And I'm just putting this in as a test. This isn't an actual, it could be an actual site, but not that I know of. Again, if you want to change your targeting for your geo-targeted settings, you can do that here under distance. And then let's say a lot of times what advertisers will want to change is their artwork. And all you have to do is go over and click choose file, choose the actual artwork that you want to update. And once you're done, you just scroll to the bottom and you can click the pinkish red save button and it will save all of your changes.